Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel SNT Power Vision. In this video you'll learn about some more application of LCM and SCF here. So let's start here. Question number 13 is find the greatest number of 4 digits which is exactly divisible by 15, 24 and 36 here. See here it's not like that its greatest numbers will go for SCF here. Actually if you see here we have to find the multiple of which is LCM of 15, 24 and 36. That is the greatest 4 digit number here. So our approach will be like first prime factor of 15 equal to 3 into 5. After that 24 is equal to 2 cube into 3 means 8 into 3. After that next number is 36 2 square into 3 square. After that LCM is equal to QC 2 cube into then we have to take highest means exponential of 3 that is 3 square into 5. So answer will be 2 cube means 8 into 972 into 5 360 here. But this is only 3 digit but we have to go for the highest 4 digit number. So highest 4 digit number is 999 divided by 360. So here answer will be 27 approximate 27.777 here, but we have to take the highest number. So what will we do? We multiply 360 into 27. Answer is 9720. So this is the highest 4 digit number which is divisible by all the three number 15, 24 and 36 here. For verification, you can go and divide 9720 by number 15, 24 and 36 here. You can cross check here. So next question is 14. Find the largest 4 digit number which when divided by 4, 7 and 13 leave a remainder of 3 in each case here. So question number 14 here. So number are 4 or 7, 13 here. If we take all the three number are prime to each other like 4 and 7 and 13 here. So LCM will be 4 into 7 into 13 equal to 364. Now we have to take the means greatest 4 digit number here. So again 999 divided by 3. Here it will come approximate 27 point here. So what we'll do, we'll multiply 364 multiplied by 27 equal to 9828. Since here it should be like it also leave a remainder of 3 in each case here, so we'll add the number 3 here. So answer is 9831 here. Next question is 15. Find the list number which should be added to 2497 so that sum is exactly divisible by 5, 6, 4 and 3 here. So question number 15, it should be exactly divisible by 5, 6, 4 and 3. If you go to find LCM of this four number is 60 here. Now find the list of which should be added to 2497, so that sum should be divisible by 5, 6, 4 and 3 here. So we'll divide 2497 divided by 60. So here like it is coming 2460 and next number is 2520. Okay. So here like if we divide 2497 by 60, so here till the next multiplication number is 2460 and next number to 2497 is 2520 here. Since it is asking what number should be added here, so in 2497 plus 23 equal to 2520 here. So here it means if we add 23 to 2497, so it will become 2520, which is divisible by both the all the four number 5643 here. If you want, you can like 2497 add 23 to this number and divide 2520 by 564 and 3 here. When we can check here, since it is 2 at the ones place it is 0, so divisible by 5. 527 plus 2 9 90. It's divisible by 6 as well. After the 4, since the last two digit is 20, so it's divisible by 4 here. Sum of the all the number is 3 means 9, so it's divisible by 3 as well. So you can check in that way also in the quick way. So 16 number is, find the greatest number that will divide 43, 91 and 183 so as to leave the same remainder in each case here. So here we will do the same method. Find the greatest number that will divide 43, 91, 83 so as to leave the same remainder in each case here. So we'll do here our approach will be 183 minus 43 equal to 140. After that 91 minus 43 equal to 48. Then 183 minus 91 equal to 92 here. Then again 8140 here. So we'll go for SCF of this number here. So 140 is equal to 2 cube into 3. So 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. No, here a bit wrong here. So here we'll take the prime factorization. 48 equal to 4 दूनी 8 दूनी 92 equal to 4 into 23. After that next is the 140. 4 into 35 means, so if we did the SCF, it will So SCF is 4 here. So 4 is the number when we divide 183, 183 remainder will come 3. If we divide 91, so remainder will come 3. If we divide 43 by 4, so remainder is the 3 here. So 17th question, here we'll see. Find the list number which when divided by 20, 25, 35 and 40 leaves the remainder 14, 19, 29 and 34 here. So again we'll do the same method here. 20 minus 14 is equal to 6. 25 minus 19 is equal to 6. So we'll take the LCM of 20, 25, 35 and 40. So LCM of 25, 20, 25, 30, 20, 25, 35 and 40 is 1400 here. So we'll divide 1400 minus 6 is equal to 1394 is the answer for this question here. So here, so if we divide 1394 by 20, we get the remainder 4. The same way 25, 35 and 40 will get the remainder is 19, 29, 34 respectively here. So next question is, in a seminar the number of participants in Hindi, English and mathematics are 60, 84 and 108 here. 60, 84 and 108 here. So find the minimum number of rooms required if in each room the same number of participants are to be seated and all of them being in the same subject here. So here it means suppose Hindi, English and mathematics there are 60, 84 and 108. So we have to find the minimum number of room such that like suppose we have selected 10 or 20 room. So in room what is the like we have to allocate equal number of person in each room only. So here we'll go for the SCF of 60, 84 and 108. So let's see, 60 is equal to 2 square into 3 into 5. After that 84 is equal to 2 square. Next is 108. So SCF is equal to, we'll take 2 square into 3 is equal to 12 here. Now this is means in each room 12 number of people will be there here. If we conceive by 12 all 60, 84 and 108 individual here. Now we have to find the total number of room here. Since for Hindi there are 60 people, so we divide 60 by 12 equal to 5. After that for English total 84 people, so we'll divide 80 is equal to 7 here. So same for mathematics 108 people is equal to 9. So total number of room will be 5 plus 7 plus 9 is equal to 21. Means we require 21 number of rooms to accommodate all the people here, and in each room there will be 12 people here.